Hello investors, welcome to Technically Speaking. Let's go over some of our ideas for the upcoming week. And remember, if you're a newer investor or trader, make sure to watch some of our educational videos in the description below.
The PSEi finally closed below the 6,400 support area after 3 attempts in the past. Given that the decline was relatively subdued, it might be a good idea to take a closer look at the current price action by way of the hourly chart. In the said chart, note how a sharp bounce occurred after the market deteriorated last June 19th. This was followed by another minor downturn and a relief rally instead of a single significant drop. As such, we believe that the current market decline may be taking the path of a zigzag pattern that may be contained within a downtrend channel. Next stop is the 6,330 area. A major reversal at this point can only start if the index will trade above the 6,500 area.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
the KEEPR Holdings Incorporated. After rising from its October 2022 lows, KEEPR is now consolidating within what seems to be a falling wedge. The uptrend line drawn and the wedge-like pattern allows us to identify a flag formation. KEEPR is currently trading at 1.52, but if it breaks above its consolidation pattern, we may enter the stock at 1.57. Based on the measurement of the flagpole's height, our target is set at 2.16. Place your stop at 1.44, or just below the wedge formation to manage risks.
For more information on our trade ideas, please make sure to check our Technically Speaking commentaries through email or our research board. So that's all we have for this week's Technically Speaking. Please tune in next week for future market updates. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to see future content like this, and good luck trading this week.